मागीर आमी मेमोरेंडम आमी कोण तरी तांचे एसिस्टंट आहा तांची सही घेतल्या, एक्नॉलेजमेंट कॉपी घेतल्या आनी आमकां फाल्यां आमकां ती एंट्री करून आमकां कॉपी आमकां मेळटली म्हणटा. So we have completed the process of giving the representation to the government. But I think that it is a very sorry state. My impression of Dr. Pramod Sawant has come down by more than 40 to 50%. This is no, he is a doctor, so I will respect him. But I am saying that to instruct us, what is the nature of the communication between the bungalow upstairs and the people here and the police here and the Mamladar, that they are not able to tell the public that the Chief Minister is not in the bungalow. Then why have you obstructed the road? Why have you not 200?
आणि प्रेसाको मागता हे सगळे ओपन करून प्रेसाको
Complete we are a complete loss for words, but please note one thing, that after the representation we will continue with the satyagraha till Mr. Rane is sacked from the cabinet. If the Goa government doesn't take a decision, we will escalate it to Mr. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India.
Yes.
And we will pursue it in the courts and we will pursue it everywhere. But this man is not fit to be a cabinet minister, and he has given enough proof, and we have given enough proof that he is working against his own constitutional oath, and he is destroying this place, destroying all the ecozones of Goa, and not even the High Court is accepting what he is saying. And that is why we are in the situation today where the entire public is annoyed, but the government does not seem to bother. They are only worried about who will be the candidate in 2027. But please note that all these actions are going to influence the voters in 2027.
डिस्पोज जाता हे फाल्यां जे रिप्रेझेंटेशन आमी जे सबमीट केल्लेले आहा आयज रातचेच ऑनलायन घालता, सगळ्यांक शेअर करता. ऑनलायन सिग्नेचर्स कॅम्पेन परत चालू करतले. वी विल नॉट स्टॉप टिल द टायम विश्वजीत राणे इज नॉट सॅक्ड.